My name's Shane Anderson, I own Henley Motors and I'm from Henley Beach, South Australia. I've worked here for 24 years as a mechanic and auto electrician. Henley Motors started here in 1984. I've worked here ever since I left high school and taken over ownership 5 years ago. And the main services and products we offer at Henley Motors are we do tyres, wheel alignments, air conditioning. We try and do as much as we can in-house. Some of the biggest challenges we find are keeping up with technology. The repairs of some of the late model cars are getting really hard and they're just staying in touch with the latest tooling and that. The staff that I have here at Henley Motors are super loyal, similar age group, we all get along really well, all got young families and we all got similar interests. Balance my work and personal life by, I start here at 5 AM in the morning. I'm just trying to get as much as I can done in the morning so we get the chance to all go home early at the end of the day and don't have to do overtime. We build trust with customers by doing the right thing by them, using quality parts. Customers always know that when they come here that they're getting good quality work, and we've got a really good relationship with most customers. We've built that up over the years through being honest and loyal and doing the job right. We've been using Castrol products here since probably 1984 once it started, and I can always remember using it here as an apprentice back in 2000. It's always been here, the big green drum. We use Castrol probably because it's the #1 oil and it's the biggest brand out there. Growth is the biggest focus for Henley Motors in the next 5 years. Recently purchased a property next door to try and expand the workshop a bit. My advice to any mechanic wanting to start their own business or get out there and be a mechanic is work hard, do good quality work, use good quality products like Castrol and genuine parts, and you'll reap the results.